Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notification.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In our human body series, today we have brought informations and 25 MCQs on human skeletal system and teeth. Let's first know some of the key parts of our skeletal system. Skeleton supports our body and protects our body organs. Adult human beings have 206 bones. Let's go from top to bottom. Skull consists of 22 bones and it protects our brain. Clavicle or collar bone supports our shoulder. The rib cage consists of 24 bones. Rib cage and sternum protect all the vital organs like heart, lungs, etc. Let's come to hand bones. The upper arm bone is called humerus. The lower arm has two prominent bones. They are called radius and ulna. Spine consists of 24 vertebrae bones. Hip bone is called pelvis. The thigh bone is known as femur. Leg below the knee joint consists of tibia and fibula. Now let's discuss some important questions. How many bones are there in adult human body? Here are the options: 200, 206, 256 or 300. Correct answer is 206. How many bones are there in a newborn baby? Options are 200, 206, 256 or 300. Correct answer is 300. A newborn baby has nearly 300 bones in the body. This is because babies have more flexible cartilage in the body. As the child grows, some of the cartilage hardens and turns to bones, and some bones fuse together. What is the largest bone in human body? Options are spinal cord, rib bone, femur or humerus. Correct answer is femur. Femur is our thigh bone. This is the largest and strongest bone in our body. What is the smallest bone in human body? Here are the options: malleus, incus, stapes or patella. The correct answer is stapes. Stapes is a very small bone located in the middle of the ear. How many rib bones are there in a human? Here are the options: 12, 16, 20 or 24. Correct answer is 24. How many vertebrae bones are there in human spine? Here are the options: 20, 24, 30 or 33. Correct answer is 24. The average person is born with 33 vertebrae. An adult has only 24 vertebrae because some vertebrae at the bottom end of the spine fuse together during normal growth and development. How many bones are there in human skull? Here are the options: 10, 20, 22 or 24. Right answer is 22. What is the only movable bone in the skull of human? Options are mandible, sphenoid, occipital or zygomatic. Correct answer is mandible. Mandible is known as jaw bone. Axial skeleton consists of how many bones? Options are 50, 60, 70, 80. Right answer is 80. The axial skeleton consists of 22 skull bones, 6 ossicles, 1 hyoid, 1 sternum, 26 vertebral column and 24 ribcage bones. What are the small bones that make up the wrist area called? Here are the options: tarsals, carpals, metacarpals or metatarsals. Correct answer is carpals. Finger bones are known as, here are the options: tibia bones, phalanges, carpal bones, tarsal bones. Correct answer is phalanges. The phalanges are the bones that make up the fingers of the hand and toes of the foot. There are 56 phalanges in human body with 14 on each hand and foot. What is the proper name for the hip bone? Here are the options: pelvis, cranium, coccyx or patella. Correct answer is pelvis. What is the name of your kneecap bone? Here are the options: femoris extensus, myxoid, coccyx or patella. Correct answer is patella. What is the name of the tailbone of humans? Here are the options: sacrum, patella, coccyx or clavicle. Correct answer is coccyx. For senior citizens, which type of bones fracture most often leads to death? Here are the options: spine, hip, tibia or skull. Correct answer is hip. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention USA tells that one of the leading causes of deaths from injuries in senior citizens is hip fractures. After which age bones generally stop growing in length? Here are the options: 15, 25, 30 or 40. Correct answer is 25. Generally, bones stop growing in length anywhere between 16 and 25 years of age. Bones never really stop growing and developing. They become denser and thicker throughout the 20s and adapt throughout life. What's at the center of your bone? Options are periosteum, cancellous, bone marrow or compact bone. Correct answer is bone marrow. On the very inside of many bones is the bone marrow. It looks a bit like a jelly and it makes new blood cells for the body. What is the main component of bones and teeth? Here are the options: calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, calcium nitrate or calcium sulfate. Correct answer is calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate is one of the primary minerals present in bones and teeth. Which of the below nutrients are necessary for healthy bones? Options are calcium and vitamin D, protein, zinc and magnesium, or all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. We need all these nutrients for healthy bones. What is the hardest substance in our body? Here are the options: skull bone, femur bone, vertebrae or tooth enamel. Correct answer is tooth enamel. The shiny white enamel that covers our teeth is even stronger than bone. How many teeth an adult has? Here are the options: 32, 34, 30 or 28. Correct answer is 32. How many milk teeth a child has? Here are the options: 20, 22, 24 or 26. 20 is the right answer. Which type of tooth is pointy, sharp and made to help tear food? Here are the options: molars, premolars, incisors or canine. Correct answer is canine. What are the last 4 teeth a person will get? Here are the options: molars, wisdom teeth, incisors or canine. Correct answer is wisdom teeth. Which innermost part of the tooth does the dentin protect? Here are the options: gum, root, pulp or crown. Correct answer is pulp.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kids and press the bell icon for notification.